If you're wondering how Retell AI can actually help your business, this video will show you the top 5 use cases for 2025. By the end, you'll see how AI voice agents can save time, reduce costs, and improve customer interactions. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more tech insights. The first use case is lead qualification. Retell AI can handle initial calls to potential clients, ask qualifying questions, and determine which leads are ready for human follow-up. This automation saves your sales team time and ensures that only the most promising leads are pursued. The second use case is appointment scheduling. Businesses that handle large volumes of bookings, such as medical offices, salons, or service providers, can use Retell AI to schedule, confirm, or reschedule appointments automatically. It works around the clock, reducing missed calls and freeing up staff for more complex tasks. The third use case is customer support for FAQs. Retell AI can answer common questions quickly and accurately, ensuring customers get the information they need without waiting on hold. This improves customer satisfaction while reducing the workload on your support team. The fourth use case is order taking and follow-ups. Retailers, restaurants, and service providers can use Retell AI to take orders or follow up on recent purchases. The AI can verify details, confirm orders, and provide updates, all without human intervention. The fifth use case is internal team communications. Retell AI can send reminders, updates, or notifications to employees, ensuring consistent communication across departments. This is especially useful for remote teams or companies with multiple locations. In summary, Retell AI is not just an automated calling tool, it's a versatile platform that can handle lead qualification, appointment scheduling, customer FAQs, order follow-ups, and internal communications. Using these features strategically can save time, reduce costs, and improve overall business efficiency. If you found this guide helpful, make sure to like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell for more tips on AI tools and productivity for your business. Thanks for watching.